Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Sat Shri Akal. I hope all are doing good in your lives. Myself Alisha welcome you all back to my channel Alisha's Art. In today's video I am going to show how to grow betel leaf plant through cutting. So these are the 3 cuttings that I have collected from one of my neighbors. If you want to propagate betel leaf plant, then take about 18 cm long cuttings. So I am going to show you the procedure using this cutting. I am using this small container with a drainage hole and I am covering the hole with some stones. This is very important for proper drainage of the water. Now I am going to grow the cutting in sand. You can also add coco peat because coco peat maintains moisture in the sand and do not let the cutting dry out. But in my case I am using only sand, so I will have to make sure that the sand remain moist for the cutting to grow properly. After filling the container, water the sand thoroughly and let the water completely drain out. Water has completely drained out now. Now make hole in the soil using pencil or any such stick. Like this. Before putting the cutting in the sand, make sure that a nodal part goes inside the soil. That means the part inside the sand must contain a node from where the new roots will actually come out. A node means the part of the stem from where leaves and branches comes out in a plant. In my case, I am going to put this nodal part into the sand. There are some roots as well. If your cutting do not have roots in it, then you can use this root hormone. It's only 80 rupees. Push the cutting gently inside the soil and gently press the soil around the plant. And then water it thoroughly. Place your cutting in indirect sunlight for first few days. However, if you get cutting like this, where the node is too much away from the base of the cutting, then simply make a cut at 45-degree angle below the node and also remove the leaves. Just like this. Don't forget to sterilize your scissor or blade, whichever you are using, before cutting the plant. And now your cutting is ready to be propagated. So here is our result after 25 days. Let me show you the roots. So roots have developed beautifully, as you can see. So after cleaning in water, the roots are more nicely visible now, as you can see. This is the result after 25 days. Now I shall repot it in a bigger pot. So I am taking this medium sized pot for this plant, and I have covered the drainage holes with stones. And as for the soil, I am taking this mixture of garden soil 50%, sand 30%, vermicompost 20%. You can also include coco peat. I have also added a little bit of fungicide into the soil, and then fill up the pot with the potting mix. Gently press the soil around the stem of the plant. And then water thoroughly. Now I will place this plant in a partial shady area. So our cutting has been successful and we have got a new plant. So that's it for today, friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, then do not forget to like and comment. Also share my video with your friends and family, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Take care everyone. Stay happy, care for Mother Nature, live and let live. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.